Hear me out. If you're a fashion designer, you're a tailor, and you want to be a very smart tailor, I want you to listen to this particular video, because if you don't listen, you will cry. Now, remember, I've already told you guys the topic for today, which is how to be a smart tailor. But this is actually the part 3 of how to be a smart tailor. If you want to watch the part 1 and part 2, please make sure you watch my previous videos. Now, I'm going to be stating the third example. Remember, in my part 1, I stated the first example. Part 2, I stated the second example. This one, I'm stating the third example. Now, let's go by this particular example. But before we do that, let's first of all define what a smart person is, or a smartness, or whatsoever is. Now, smartness is just the ability of using your common sense to solve your problem, your day-to-day problem. That is what literally what smartness is all about. Do you understand? Everything is not everything that needs formula, or maybe you need to go and look inside a book to know how to solve it. Do you understand? So if you want to be a smart tailor, I'm teaching you now how to use your common sense to solve your problem as a tailor. It's not everything that you see written in a particular textbook, except you are writing down this particular one. Okay, so the question goes this way, or the example goes this way. Let's say a customer calls into your shop and gives you a cloth to make. Let's say like a 2-piece. And at the end of the day, that particular 2-piece, you see that it doesn't have much designs. Do you understand? Like, it's not something that when you finish sewing, and the fabric is not that, it's not fabricing. You know what I mean by fabricing? Like, it's not shining. It's not something that will give you a better design. Are you going to sew that cloth like that? Are you going to do something else? Now, let me give you my own opinion. For those of you that don't know why I'm capable, or maybe I'm authorized to give you my own opinion as a professional, I've been teaching fashion for a whole long period of time. Do you understand? And I'm also an author of a book that is globally known, The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide, a book that will teach you how to cut properly, step by step. Do you understand? For those of you that want to get this particular book, click on the first link on my bio. Thanks, and may God bless you. So I'm going to be stating my own opinion right now. My own opinion is that what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to tell that particular customer, hello, madam, this your style is fine, no, it's fine, but can we do something? Can I add something to it? I want to give you the best. Do you understand? Now, example, now let's say you have that particular 2-piece, you have a crop top. Do you understand? The crop top, the material is a plain material. Do you understand? And it's just crop like that, just plain like that. Now you can go ahead and add a chest pocket that have cover. If you know how to do this chest pocket that have cover, you put a button on it. Maybe you can even do a cover button and put on it. It automatically changes that particular crop top. I just gave you an example now. I mean, you can add something to that particular style. It's still that same style. You are not removing anything, you're not altering anything, but you are adding to it. You're embellishing it in one way or the other. Do you understand? This is an example of what you have to do. But make sure you take permission from that particular customer. Do you understand? Now let me give you another example. Is, let's say the 2-piece, the trouser part, do you understand, is cropped up. Then the trouser is a straight cut trouser. You can go ahead and tell that customer that maybe if you can put a cargo pocket by the side. Do you understand? That is if you can actually do a cargo pocket. For those of you that don't know how to do a cargo pocket, remember I have all these courses. Do you understand? All you have to do is to DM me. I will teach you how to do all those things. Okay? Then tell your customer, maybe whether you can do that cargo pocket. Let me tell you the truth. All these customers, what they want is just good job. Do you understand? In fact, when you tell them that, they would, like, after you finish making that clothes, it will be so fine that they will even be telling their friends that, this guy does not just sew anything. He even asks your designer, and he even takes permission. Do you understand? All these kind of things. So it makes them love you more. It makes them want to bring more work for you. Now, what made you to be this good? It's not the textbook. It's not what your teacher taught you in the school. Do you understand? Obviously, I'm giving you the information now. But I'm just trying to tell you, let you know that it's mostly your common sense that wants you to do this. Do you understand? Just know that, just like even when we are sewing, it's not everything that needs formula. Like I keep saying, there are things that when you look at it like this now, you'll be like, maybe if I do it this way, I can solve it this way. Do you understand? Having alternatives to something is also smartness. Do you understand? I don't want this video to be too long, but if I can tell you guys this short story. A lady has come to my office before. Maybe let me not tell you guys this story. So if you love if you want me to say this story, maybe in another video, make sure you put in the comment section. And also, make sure you go and get our book. It's going to help you. The Perfect Dress Cutting Guide. Yeah, authored by Wonka Chukwe Bukasi. That's me you're seeing here. Thanks and may God bless you. Bye for now.